In this video, we will show you how to clear Gmail storage. When your storage on Gmail is full, then you cannot send the message or email. You need to clear your storage. How to clear your storage on Gmail? First, you need to open this URL, google.com/setting/storage. You can get this URL, the link on description. Then you can paste and go to this URL. You can see there, your Gmail storage is across, including Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. So you can clean up your space by clicking the menu, Free Up Account Storage. Okay, you can see the menu is below of this item. Just click Free Up Account Storage in here. And you can see there is Gmail and Google Drive also. And you can see there is large files. You can review and clean up if you want. But because we need to just clear in Gmail, just click this, for example. Then we can just click Delete All. Just click I understand and permanently delete. You can also free up your space by deleting your large files on Google Drive, because your storage in Gmail is across also in Google Drive and Google Photos. You can just select all item and click delete if you want. And that's all tutorial how to clear your Gmail storage. Hope this video helpful for you.